There's this giant albino fish that swims around the marina. Locals call him Ragnar the Terrible. People have been trying to catch old Ragnar for ages, but he's damn stubborn. He likes to hang out by that little island over yonder. It'd be good for morale if someone finally caught him. I think you might have what it takes.
Hell of a job liberating
there's
that
my
place,
hero.
Deputy.
Get over here,
I
honey.
told you
It's
there's plenty of
important.
folks willing to fight Eden's Gate. They just need a leader. And I think they finally found one. The more you take from the cult, the more people will be willing to help you fight back.
This is the most awesome.
Dutch out. Hell of a job freeing the marina. Adelaide's a bit of a pistol, but she could be a big asset for us. See about lending her a hand, kid.
Free advice. Watch your back around here.
They tried to hurt my beautiful boy, Joysander. I barely broke him in. She's gone. Those dig farmers took Tulip.
You're a gem. Thanks for keeping this place ours.
These assholes thought they could take my property. This ain't fucking Canada.
Come here, Hotcha. I need your help.
Oh, your dog's making me miss mine.
I need you to take a
Don't let the Peggies catch you hunting their livestock.
Steve in a bit.
You know, plain old...
Goddamn, do you have good timing? Know how to fly a chopper? Adelaide Drubman, pleased to make your acquaintance. Appreciate all your help getting my marina back, but honey, I got a problem. Those Peggy shipbirds stole my Tulip. She's the nimblest goddamn helicopter this side of Montana, and I'll be goddamned if those fuck trumpets are gonna take her from me. I won that bird in my divorce fair and square. The walking erectile dysfunction who took her painted her that awful shade of Peggy mayonnaise, so the only way you'll be able to find her is to ID the pilot. Should be easy to spot him. The only other birds around the air. We'll talk later, sweetheart. Hey, there's my hero. Get over here, honey. It's important. So, anyways, should be easy to spot him. Okay. Don't care how you do it, but I need my chopper Tulip back.
The only ones that still trust.
The Peggies want the Henbane River to be their dreamscape.
Name's Jess.
There's always trouble. This is our final warning. This is our final collapse. We must prepare for what comes next. Prepare for the
It's right there! Look out!
Nisemon is as tough as nails, but she's got a knack for trouble. Check in on her for me, would you?
Trail's gonna go cold soon. You sure as hell how to handle yourself?
Looks like we got here just in time. Any later?
Thanks for busting me out. Name's Jess. If you're out here picking fights with the cult, then I'm guessing you already know my Uncle Dutch. Look, I don't got a lot of time to waste. I'm gonna get right to the point. I was on the trail of one of Jacob's zealots. Goes by the name The Cook. Yeah, don't sound so scary. Believe me, he's one twisted fuck. Almost tracked him down, but a Peggy patrol got the drop on me. I need your help. We can't let this trail go cold. If you're looking to hook up with the Whitetails, this could be your way in. And more importantly, you'd help put an evil motherfucker in the grave. Gotta move. Wasted too much time already. Follow me. This way. See that? That's his calling card. Innocent people, burned alive. Goddamn cults grabbing everyone. They'll take you from your home, the bar, even church. Don't matter where you are. Then they slot you into one of two categories. Weak or strong. See, Jacob's building an army. And anyone who can't or won't fight for it winds up dead. Culling the herd, he calls it. Wholesale slaughter innocent people. Nobody believed it was happening, because nobody wanted to believe. there's the one we're after. The Cook. He's one of Jacob's favorites. The one who leads his purging. The Cook's bought into all of Jacob's bullshit. This motherfucker's gonna get what he deserves. All right, we're almost there. Let's have a look. Careful. Shit, I don't see him anywhere. Got some people locked up, though. Treats people like fucking animals. Cages. Okay. Head down. Spot us. Got one! What a bunch of
Can't. My light flashed before my eyes there.
There's more of us. The Cook. He took them up the mountain. Oh, God.
Over here. Thank you. For real. There were others. They took them up the mountain.
Hey, the hostages! Bust him out of the cage!
Hey!
Fuck!
Jeez, thanks. They got the jump on me.
The Cook. He took others.
Okay,
Took him up the mountain.
You ain't lost, are you?
You're better than most at this. You want to know why they call him the Cook? A couple years back, Jacob sent one of his guys out to round up this family. Parents and kids. First thing he did was starve them. Gave them nothing. Not even a drop of water. After 3 days, they got so thirsty they had to drink their own piss. But the kids didn't want to do it. So the parents forced it down their throats. The kids puked it right back up. Cook didn't like that. So he went and strung the parents up on posts under the hot sun. Hold up. I think I heard something. Let's look at what's going on. You're gonna execute. Take point. I got your back. Remember, if they spot us, those people are dead on sight.
Look out!
We're going loud.
You saved my life. Please help me. My husband. The cook took him to the pit. He's gonna burn him. He's gonna burn him alive.
Let's go.
Hey, you! Got something to tell you.
So the cook. Yeah, the parents on posts decided to give the kids a little water. And then he asked if they were hungry. The kids were starving, so they said yes. Started begging for food. Cook asked if they want pork. The kids said yes. So he went out to the parents and took their shoes off and started to play. This little piggy went to market. And the blood poured like a damn faucet. Cook had a big old grin on his face as he offered each little piece to the kids. Pretty soon there were no more piggies left. So he laughed and set the parents on fire. And the air filled up with that sickly sweet smell of roasted flesh. I'll never forget that smell. When they finally stopped screaming, I looked around and he was just gone. Vanished like some sort of demon in the night. Anyways, that's why they call him the cook. Let's take a better look.
The weak are impure and unworthy!
There he is.
Their souls are plagued by filth!
Damn it, he's burning them.
The weak are impure and unworthy!
Killed one. Better death than that shit. Fucking hell! That's it, I guess. Now what? I feel numb. Dutch was right. Cook's dead and I don't feel anything. All I ever wanted was to find this guy. And now... I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Dutch has been right about a lot of shit lately. The cult, Eli, maybe he's right about you too. You need someone to watch your back? Call me. And, thanks for everything you've done.
Hunt for a taxidermist. Gave me a buck of squirrel. Hey, you. Thanks, friend.
Huh. Hi, sweetheart.
Hi, sweet cheeks. I used to take my stuff to a repair cafe. I repair my own stuff now.
Faith always gets her way. I ain't even sure you're real. You can't fix a broken car with duct
This is Virgil Minkler speaking. Anyone looking for...
wish they could understand just how hard we're trying to help them.
Watch out for the angels.